Our peoples are different, yet you ask that we come together. Odd. This nation you speak of, the fruit of our alliance, who would govern it?
There would be representatives sent out from our king, who, together with you, would deliberate, make laws, see to the needs of the people.
Your people would know the needs of my people?
We would learn each other's needs.
How would we live in this nation?
As neighbors, village near village.
And how would these villages be placed? Zulu, English, Zulu, English, Zulu.
The land is vast, Baba. There's plenty of room for all, without crowding.
Without crowding, Febana, you mean Zulu, English?
Until our needs become clear.
I see. But what would happen, Febana, if after many generations, the children of your children were still unable to learn the needs of my people, if their stars remained different? Would they then leave to go back to the lands where you came from? Or would they have learned to love this land so deeply that no other land could be home? What would happen, Febana, if this land, without crowding, became crowded? Which of those unborn children would then be called African? Yours or mine?